Welcome to this tutorial on element-wise greater than comparisons in NumPy. Today, we'll explore the np.greater function, a powerful tool for comparing arrays element by element. This function returns boolean results that tell us which elements in one array are greater than the corresponding elements in another array. NumPy.greater is a function that compares two arrays element by element and returns a boolean array. The boolean array indicates where elements in the first array are greater than the corresponding elements in the second array. The syntax is simple: np.greater, passing two parameters x1 and x2, which are the arrays you want to compare. Let's look at a basic example. We import NumPy as np, then create two arrays. Array 1 contains the values 5, 8, 3, and 9. Array 2 contains 2, 8, 7, and 4. When we call np.greater with these arrays, it compares each position. 5 is greater than 2, so we get true. 8 is not greater than 8, so we get false. 3 is not greater than 7, so we get false. 9 is greater than 4, so we get true. The output is a boolean array: true, false, false, true. The np.greater function also works with scalars through broadcasting. Here, we have an array with values 10, 15, 20, and 25. We compare this array with the scalar value 18. NumPy automatically broadcasts the scalar across all elements. 10 is not greater than 18, so we get false. 15 is not greater than 18, so we get false. 20 is greater than 18, so we get true. 25 is greater than 18, so we get true. The result is false, false, true, true. The function works seamlessly with multidimensional arrays. We create two 2x2 matrices. Matrix 1 has 4 and 7 in the first row, 9 and 2 in the second row. Matrix 2 has 3 and 8 in the first row, 5 and 6 in the second row. When we compare them with np.greater, it performs element-wise comparison. 4 is greater than 3, giving true. 7 is not greater than 8, giving false. 9 is greater than 5, giving true. 2 is not greater than 6, giving false. The output is a 2x2 Boolean matrix. A common use case is filtering data based on conditions. Here we have test scores: 85, 92, 78, 95, and 88. We set a threshold of 90. Using np.greater, we create a Boolean mask that identifies which scores are greater than 90. We then use this mask to filter the original array, extracting only the high scores. The result is 92 and 95, which are the only scores above our threshold. You might wonder about the difference between np.greater and the simple greater than operator. Both perform the same element-wise comparison and return identical Boolean arrays. The function form, np.greater, is useful for functional programming and when you need to pass the comparison operation as a parameter. The operator form, using the greater than symbol, is more concise and commonly used in everyday coding. Choose whichever fits your coding style and requirements. Let's recap the key points. First, np.greater returns a Boolean array for element-wise comparisons, showing where elements in the first array exceed those in the second. Second, it works with arrays of any dimension, from one-dimensional vectors to multidimensional matrices. Third, it supports broadcasting with scalars and arrays of different shapes. Finally, it's perfect for filtering and conditional operations, allowing you to select data that meets specific criteria. Thank you for watching, and happy coding with NumPy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.